can you spin it for me? Woo, look at the rainbow.
Whoa.
That is cool. Do it one more time. Woo.
Welcome to Learning League.
All right, what are you doing?
It's too tough, see?
Yeah. We're cutting out these circles.
Watch this. It doesn't break.
Yeah, Mommy can help, okay?
Hello, guys. We're making fidget spinners. Spinners.
We're making penny spinners.
Penny spinners. It's easy. Just decorate your board, and then you can just put these pennies on, and then you just have it.
I'm gonna show you how we're gonna do it, okay?
That's how.
So I want you to go ahead and decorate your spinners however you want.
And we can use stickers. You can use whatever you want. Markers, pens, or anything.
Crayons.
Crayons.
But we're using markers today.
Pens. Or color pens. And mark like these.
Colored pencils.
Pencils.
We're gonna use markers. I think those are gonna show up the best, okay?
Yes.
So what are you gonna color?
I'm gonna color a rainbow,
Ooh, that'll be really cool. I like that a lot.
Tell me what the rainbow is. I know what the first color is. Red. So we need to find red in here.
Okay.
Okay, I found red. Did.
Okay.
I did it. So, what is the undercolor? Orange.
Mhm.
Where's orange? Oh, it's in here. That's brown.
That's orange.
But it looks a little brown.
Yeah, I think maybe we colored over something so it got a little brown on it.
It's okay. Orange. It looks a little orange. It looks orange.
How do you know the colors of the rainbow?
Because I watched the show.
Mhm. And what did they say the initials were? Roy. Roy G. Biv.
Yeah.
Red, orange, yellow. What's next? Green.
We need to find green. Green. You can't see it, but it's right there.
Okay. Green. And what's next? Okay.
And then purple.
Mhm.
Where's the marker? Oh, it's gone. Okay.
So red, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet,
Violet.
indigo, violet, right?
Indigo violet.
Yep. It's okay. We'll just do purple as the last one.
It writes, it looks the same as indigo.
Mhm.
You tried to guess, but I'm still drawing, so.
Is it an alligator?
No.
Is it a parrot?
No.
Is it your mommy?
Yes.
It is? You're drawing me?
Mm-hmm. It's a little weird because your nose is not the same as me. Yeah. And your mouth is not straight.
Uh-oh.
I need to draw your teeth. Those are your teeth. Your teeth look funny in the picture. You have an S on your shirt because you love me.
Mm-hmm.
I'm drawing the sun. You can know about the sun because the sun is just. Don't see my picture.
Okay.
Just see this one. I need to draw my hair and the sun on mine.
Okay.
Oh yeah, I forgot. There's a mommy on my dress.
Oh.
And then I'm gonna just draw in the sun. Black. That's the sun.
Okay.
You can see this one, but you can't see mommy.
All right, are we ready to put the penny in?
Penny in the cardboard?
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna show you how we're gonna do it.
Like this? You're gonna do like this?
Mm-mm. I'll show you how we're gonna do it. Are you ready?
Yes.
Can you show me?
Your nose.
Oh my, I look so cool.
I got you square glasses. I need to change those into normal glasses. Focus.
I like it. All right. Okay, show me what you made. They spin. We cut a little hole, we put a penny in, and we made penny spinners.
I want to keep this one.
I know. Mommy still looks good in it though.
Yeah. Mommy, I know something.
What?
When we are away of each other, we can look at the bottom of this and see us.
Oh, I
You
like
can have
it.
this one,
Okay.
and I can have this one.
All right, can you spin it for me? Ooh, look at the rainbow.
Whoa.
That is cool. Do it one more time. Woo.
My penny is going out.
That's okay. Do you like it?
Yes. I like that one, but we can glue those together.
It's okay.
Glue it together.
Can you tell your friends bye?
Bye. We can do a bit spinner. We can do an easy video, like just do nothing. Let's take spinner.
All right.
Woo,
Why don't you
woo,
spin
woo.
this one?
Okay.
Bye, guys.
Oh yeah.
We'll see you next time.